few years back, I had a friend tell me that cutting your hair is equivalent to snakes shedding their skin. Oh God, I'm sorry. I look absolutely clapped in this video. Is this captured?
Yeah.
Anyways, I was told that there's a lot of energy that rests in our hair. For the last 2 years, I was holding on to my locks. So that also meant that I was carrying all the energy that came with it, positive and negative. Now, after I cut them off, besides the physical weight being lifted from my body, I could also feel a more spiritual lift. I needed a little self-esteem boost. I needed new energy. My hair became my new energy. Barbers really are the saviors of the black community, for real. These are art therapy sessions. I watched parts of my old identity scattered across the floor and swept away. And then what you're left with is a brand new man. And that energy does come and go. So you gotta make sure you protect it. Maintain it. Stray it away from negativity. Give yourself something to look forward to when you look in the mirror.